Hi, my name is Mark Wald and I'm with Fantech. I'm going to talk a little bit today about dryer exhaust fans. A common problem in homes today is homeowners wanting to locate their clothes dryer in a place where it may not be so convenient or handy to vent it properly. Most dryer manufacturers recommend no more than 35 feet of dryer vent pipe to get the hot air and lint out of the home. Well, that sounds great, but oftentimes we want to put this dryer where it's more convenient, and that isn't necessarily possible. So with Fantech dryer exhaust fans, we can extend that length to well over 100 feet. The way these work is we have an inline fan with a pressure sensor that's integral to the fan. As soon as you would turn on the dryer, the fan that's in the dryer starts to exhaust some air. It increases the pressure in the duct. The pressure sensor then energizes and starts our exhaust fan. And our fan runs together with the dryer as long as this is running. As soon as this finishes running, then our fan finishes its cycle and stops as well. So you have a dryer exhaust fan that's ensuring we're moving air and lint out of the home, making the dryer operate more efficiently, shorter run times, and no worries about lint clogging up your ducts. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.